Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the headset has power and the Xbox and controller are updated. Once done, sign into the profile you'll use for voice chat so settings stick. Put the headset into its pairing mode per manufacturer instructions. You'll usually see a flashing LED. Press the console's pairing button until its light flashes or plug in the USB wireless adapter. Make sure the controller is awake. You'll use it to confirm and fine-tune audio after the console detects the headset. You now complete the connection and configure audio. After initiating pairing on the console or controller, wait for the headset LED to turn solid. This confirms a link. Then open Settings, right arrow Devices and Connections, right arrow Accessories, and select your controller to confirm it recognizes the headset. Adjust the headset volume and chat-to-game audio balance from the Xbox guide so you hear teammates clearly. Test the microphone in a party or with a voice message. If audio drops, toggle the headset off and on to you finish by locking in settings and validating performance. Save any headset profiles and set it as the default communication device in audio settings. Join a party and launch a game to confirm both game sound and chat reach expected levels. Tweak mic monitoring if your headset supports it. If the headset won't pair, first reboot console and controller, then reset the headset and try pairing again. Also check for headset firmware updates and replace or recharge batteries. These fixes resolve most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.